अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आपको अपने सवाल जवाब चैनल में खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। दोस्तों, हमारा आज का मौजू पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी के टेस्ट जो असिस्टेंट के लिए होते हैं उन पर बना है। तो जी आज का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है, इसलिए वीडियो को एंड तक लाजमी देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो आगे चलते हैं अपने आज की इस मुनफरिद वीडियो की जानिब। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। The full marathon has an official distance of kilometers: 39 km, 41.2 km, 42.2 km, 44.1 km. Correct answer is 41.2 km. Next important MCQs for assistant. Talpur project is disputed between India and Bangladesh, Pakistan and India, India and Bhutan, India and Sri Lanka. So the correct answer is Pakistan and India. दोस्तों, next important MCQs is the 2018 Asian Game is officially known as 18 Asian Games, 19 Asian Games, Jakarta, Palembang 2018. Correct answer is both A and C. 18 and 19 Asian Games. Next important MCQs. Where was 1951 Asian Games held? New Delhi, India, Jakarta, Indonesia, Tokyo, Japan, Seoul, South Korea. So the correct answer is New Delhi, India. Next important MCQs. The 1951 Asian Game was officially known as First Asian Game, the Games of Asia, Peace Games, the Asian Games. So the correct answer is First Asian Games. Next MCQs. First Asian Games were held in year: A 1949, B 1950, 1951, D 1952. Correct answer is 1951. How many times has Pakistan hosted Asian Games? Once, twice, never, or thrice. Correct answer is C, never. Next important MCQs. Who is the civilian commander-in-chief of Pakistan Armed Forces? Chief Justice of Pakistan, President of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, or Speaker of National Assembly? So the correct answer is President of Pakistan. Next important MCQs. How many football World Cup have been played till now? 18, 19, 20 or 21? If you know the answer, then tell in comment box. The correct answer is 21. Next important MCQs for assistant. In which city of Sindh the famous Hathi Dor is located? Sakhar, Shikarpur, Kot Daji or Sehwan? So the correct answer is Shikarpur. Next important MCQs for assistant is old name of Dhaka is Khangada, Muhammadnagar, Jahangirnagar or Montangmore? So the correct answer is Jahangirnagar. Next important MCQs is which of the following is higher rank in Pakistan Air Force? Squadron leader, air commander, wing commander, group captain? So the correct answer is air commander. Next MCQs for the assistant. Which of the following animals sleep the most? For example, 20 hours out of 24 hours. Leopard, lion, tiger or cat and dormouse? Correct answer is lion. Next important MCQs. David Cameron, British Prime Minister from 2010 to 2016, belongs to party Conservative, Democratic, Labour or People's? Correct answer is Conservative. Next on MCQs. The first country in the world to impose a complete ban on the sale of all forms of tobacco is New Zealand, Switzerland, Singapore or Japan? So the correct answer is Singapore. Next important MCQ for assistant. Shahi Qila located in which city of Pakistan? A. Lahore, B. Sakar, C. Quetta, D. Peshawar. So the correct answer is Lahore. Next important MCQs for assistant. The USA film industry Hollywood is located in New York, California or Alaska. So the correct answer is California. Next important MCQs about the Earth. The study of the Earth and its features is known as geology, geography, crystallography or petrology. So the correct answer is geography. Geology. Next, the study of light and vision is known as acoustics, optics, astronomy or none of these. So the correct answer is optics. Next important MCQs. Science dealing with design, construction and use of machinery or mechanical structure is known as optics, mechanics, paleontology or none of these. The correct answer is mechanics. This is the end of my video. If you like such type of videos, then please subscribe this Solid channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.